Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I know I've been like absent for a while here, but a lot of stuff has been going on. Today's video will kind of be like an update slash vlog slash all of that. Just like a chill video. My brother just got back home with some pizza, so we're gonna eat that. And then I also want to put up those LED lights. I got some like LED lights for Christmas that I want to put up in my room. These ones right here that you guys have probably been seeing all over the internet. I want to put these up and like test them out and stuff. Alright guys, so I just ate. So I'm all ready to actually get some work done now. But first I really want to put these lights on before I like start doing some homework and doing some other stuff I need to do tonight. I got these for Christmas and I really want to put them up. So I actually got the 2-meter ones for Christmas, and I went back and exchanged them for the 5-meter ones just because where I want to put them in my room I kind of need a bigger LED strips. So we'll just open these up. These intrigue me so much because they have like the different colors, and then they even sync to your music, which is so cool. And I always am blasting music in my room, so I really wanted to get some of these so that it's even more like intense. So this is the actual LED strip, and then we have the remote and USB thingy here, and then the wire. So first is to open the actual LEDs, because I kind of need to figure out where I'm putting these in my room. Well, I have an idea, but I don't know how it's gonna work exactly, so I'm gonna figure that out right now. It's just like this strip, like so, and then you just tape it on.
Why am I in the background?
Because you're gonna help me put these up.
Why?
Because I need help.
I don't want it.
Bud. So Bud. Nick. You also get a wire that goes into this little box. So this is like syncing it to the remote control, I'm guessing. And then the strip, and then this wire is actually fairly long, which I'm happy about because I thought it'd be like super short. I'm thinking of putting them along this like carving in my ceiling right here because I feel like they'll fit nicely, and it's right in the middle of my room, so I feel like it'll light up the room nicely too. So I just plugged them in just so we can get an idea of how they're gonna look. You want to stand up a little bit? Oh, nice. That might be a little short, hey? Here, wait, let me switch these.
Is it even in?
Yeah.
Are you sure? It's not lit up.
I have an idea.
I have an idea, and I know where it's from. Do, 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 do.
Engineer here.
Huh?
Mr. Engineer here. Oh yeah. You can still see the light in the whole room. Okay, so we're actually dumb and we took off the wrong layer of tape, so that's why we couldn't figure it out.
You gotta tell your fans that my chin is a little split open because they're gonna be like,
What happened?
huh?
What do you mean?
Hockey.
Alright guys, the lights are now up, and then got the remote working, so you can like change. Alright guys, so I did sync the phone, so you don't actually have to sync the phone to the music. You literally just play music and the lights do it to the beat. So there's a button on here, the remote, that says music, and then you can even like talk in the room and the lights will go to that beat. So right now I just have them on a normal mode and nothing like that, and all the lights are turned off, so they are pretty bright. Here, I'll show you guys. Like when you walk into my room, here I'll just set it to like a color so you can see like this, the blue, the green, the red, and it really just changes the whole room, which is crazy. So these are the lights right here.
Sometimes I wonder why I fall with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you initially.
I'm kind of obsessed with the lights so far. I love how they look. So I'm gonna go shower now, get ready for bed, do my whole night routine, and then I'll be back to talk to you guys some more. I just went and got ready for bed. Now I'm just gonna get some of my school stuff ready. So I actually just started second semester, so I guess I'll tell you guys a bit about that. So if you guys don't know, I am in first year engineering. I'm actually doing an engineering and business dual degree, but haven't taken any of my business classes yet. I only take, at least in first year, I only take 2 business classes and then 10 engineering classes. So I'm taking my 2 business classes in the spring semester, and right now we are in the winter semester. So all new classes this semester, and I'm just gonna tell you guys a bit about it if you are interested in knowing kind of what I'm taking. The 5 courses I'm taking this semester are Eng 202, which is statics, Eng 225, which is electrical and circuits, Eng 201, which is like gas laws and basically chemical engineering. What else am I taking? Calculus, so math 227, which is calculus 2 and 3, so it's multivariable calculus for engineers, and physics 259, which is basically focused around electromagnetism. So a lot of fun courses, at least in my opinion. I love like physics and math and chem, so a lot of my courses are based around that right now. Update, if you guys did watch my video from my first semester, I did get the Surface Pro, and I actually did have to get a new one just because the battery on my old one was just completely like destroyed. I think I got like a default, or it had a manufacturing issue, and I only had it for 4 months, so I went and they actually replaced it for me. So I actually got this the other day. So right now I'm just going to do some homework, catch up on some stuff, and then I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I have some extra time tonight, so I'm gonna just chillax. I'm gonna turn on my diffuser. I already put some essential oils in it. I used this calming one tonight. And I love my diffuser. My brother got it for me for Christmas, and I use it all the time, and it changes colors. You guys can tell I really like colored lights and stuff. So that, and then I put this lavender light on. I feel like it's just a nice, again, calming light. And I had to put the flash on because I closed my lights, but I'm gonna paint my nails now. I'm just waiting for my computer it's just updating right now. So I'm gonna use this Sally Hansen Miracle Gel in the shade Pink Stiletto. It's like this really nice fuchsia color. So I'm gonna paint my nails with this, wait for my computer to turn on, and then I think I'm gonna watch some You, the Netflix show. I'm like 2 episodes into the new season, and it's already crazy. So I'm just going to paint my nails, watch my show, and just relax with my lights and everything like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's kind of vlog style video. I know it was super chill and just very different from what I usually post, but I promise I'll be getting back to makeup and beauty and stuff very, very soon. I've just had a really busy past few weeks. I was just in Mexico, if you guys don't know, so just got back from Mexico, just starting the second semester of school, so it's been kind of hectic right now, but I promise I will get back to my regular schedule pretty soon here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.